Baby, when we're grinding, that's right, I get so excited. You know how I like it. I try, but I keep fighting.
Black girl magic, black girl magic, whoa, black girl magic, whoa.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing the Rhassoul clay mask. First we'll need apple cider vinegar with the mother, that's very important, it's the best kind. Next you'll need the Moroccan Rhassoul clay. I got this off Amazon and this is the 1 kilogram bag. Then you need a plastic container and a plastic spoon because you don't want to mix it with metal. I'm then showing you the consistency of the clay, and then you just want to add however many spoonfuls you feel necessary for your hair, because after doing this I didn't realise it actually wasn't enough for my hair what I'd got, so I did have to make another batch. So just eyeball it and see how much your hair will need, because everyone's hair is different. Next I'm adding the vinegar. I did have little of this vinegar, so I did have to mix the rest with water, and then you just want to mix till you get the desired consistency. Now you can do so many things with this clay. Sometimes I add tea tree oil or like lemon juice or like peppermint oil, essential oil, different things to stimulate your scalp, whatever. So there's lots of things you can do. This is the consistency I like it. Next I'm taking off my bonnet. I've got 4 doo-doo plaits. I just begin by undoing that, then sectioning my hair off to begin to apply the clay mask to my hair. I want to start by wetting it with water. You have to make sure your hair is like, it'll apply better if you just wet your hair with water. So just wetting with my hair with water and then working the water in. There's no point if the water's going to sit on your hair, you need it to penetrate your hair. And then there's some light finger detangling. Spray some more. Yeah, don't be scared of water. And then finger detangle. And then I begin to apply the mask to my hair. Now watch the transformation. You saw my hair beforehand, yeah? You could not see the definition at all. Just watch. Also, it looks like I'm being rough to my hair. I'm not. It's just sped up. Just lightly finger detangling it. Look at them curls. Honey, look at them curls. Like, say nothing. Say nothing. But I'm like, no. They're popping. Yeah. Like, everyone's hyped about the Aztec healing clay mask, which I've seen loads of videos on. It looks good. But a YouTuber, Fusion of Culture, I'll leave a link below or above the video. She did a comparison of the Aztec cleaning clay mask and this mask, and I just decided to use this one, and the results, as you can see, are popping, yeah? So if you want to try out this mask, try it out, because it works just as good, if not better, than the Aztec healing clay mask. But I do want to try the Aztec just to see the comparison anyway on my hair, but that'll be another video. But yeah, like, you can see the definition for yourself and you can see the process. I basically apply the mask, make sure to get the roots, because this is a detoxifying mask. You want your scalp to get clean as well. And then just work it in, like these tangling as you go along. Like, you don't need a wide tooth comb or anything like that. You just need your fingers, and your shed hairs will naturally come out. And trust me, it's bomb. The results are bomb. And yeah, I'm just working the way up with my hair. I don't film the entire video because like it gets a bit boring. You just see me work this all over my hair. There's nothing really changing. Yeah, I just be like, Zainab, what are you doing? I'm like, yeah, no. So yeah, it's just like a little clip of me just doing it. You need to add your water, work the water into your hair, and then apply the mask. Make sure to apply it to the ends as well as the roots, so it's thoroughly all over your hair. So satisfying looking at curls. Like, it's so pretty. come on, like, it can't. This is on type 4 hair, yeah. I've got a mix of all different hair types all over my hair, yeah. It's a mix of like a 4A at like the back of my hair, 4B, and then a little bit of 4C on like the edges. Like, you see where my I cannot speak. I mean, my ear, just above my ear, is like 4C. So it's a mix of everything, so I have to work with my hair to accommodate that. Look at those curls. Yes. Look at them curls. Say nothing. Say nothing. But yeah, I'm gonna like stop talking now, and then you can like watch a little bit more of me doing this, and then the result into yours. I first filmed this voiceover at like midnight. I had to delete it. It was actually crap. I sounded so weird, and I had my retainers in. I was like, okay, when I wake up tomorrow, I have to film this. Not film this, do the voice note again, because yeah, you guys can't be listening to me like that. It's not cute. It's not cute. If I had more of this mask, because I did tell you previously I didn't make enough, I feel like my hair would lay a bit more flat, but because I was skeptical of how much I had, I didn't saturate as much as I could have, basically. So I might do this again on my channel, and then you can properly see. But yeah, it still lays quite like the curls are still defined. It still works. So yeah. And you can also use this mask for your face. It literally works the same as the Aztec Indian clay. I use this on my face to detoxify my face, and I also add like turmeric, tea tree, peppermint. So I'll probably do a separate video on that, because that mask works wonders for my skin, absolute wonders. So yeah. I think I'm looking for my hairband here, and then I realised it's actually on my plait. Like, you can see it, yeah? I'm looking for it for a good 5 minutes. This is sped up, yeah? And then I just looked in the mirror and I was like, Zainab, you're so dumb. You're actually dumb. Like, Jasmine Sullivan, dumb. Like, check that song out. Like, it's dumb. I was so dumb. I'm still looking for it. There we go, found it. Yeah, like, tell me if you can relate to that. You'll feel like, where did I put this thing? I just had it. Like, where is it, fam? Like, honestly. And then you look and it's like, oh, I can actually be so dumb at times. Do you feel me? But yeah. This took about half an hour to apply to my hair, so it didn't actually take that long. Yeah. It's not a long process at all. And I tend to do this just when I feel like my hair needs a deep cleanse. It's like to be stripped, because I've got low porosity hair, so I do get product build up, and I felt like my products weren't just absorbing into my hair anymore, and that's when I felt like, okay, it's time to detoxify my hair and get those curls popping again. So then when I do my braid out or twist out, it comes up popping, and it did come up popping because I did a tutorial on my braid out and the curls came up popping. So if you want to see that video, yeah, that should be out Sunday hopefully, because this is Friday, so yeah, Sunday that one should be out for you guys, so stay tuned. I'm loving my hair colour. I got it dyed in Jan, and it's just, I love it. And yeah, that's pretty much what I did. And then I'm showing you like a close-up of my curls, and sis, bear in mind my hair is like all different lengths all over my head, so it looks a bit like funny at times. But look at the curls, look at that definition. Type 4 hair, yes? Say nothing. Actually say nothing. Yes, honey, yes. Look at that. I'm just giving you guys a close-up so you guys can see what I'm talking about. This is not, I'm not imagining things. Like, look at this hair. Look at this hair. Give me life, fam. Like, honestly, I'm just like, when I put this in, I was like, I'm so happy. I'm so happy. Like, yes, smile, please, smile. Leave it on for like 30 minutes or just until the clay dries up. And yeah, then I'm showing you how my hair looks with no product in my hair, like actually no product. Like I was shook. I've forgotten what this clay mask actually does to my hair. Like, look at that, no products, not even like deep conditioner. I hadn't deep conditioned my hair at this point. Look at them curls. I do recommend getting this, honestly. I've had this mask for a good 1 or 2 years now. Like, it lasts you a long time. It's a good purchase to make, honestly, because you're not using it all the time. It's only when your hair is built up and everything. But yeah, I'm just showing you my curls and still popping. So if you want to try out this mask, do it. Let me know in the description box. And yeah, that's the end of this video. I hope you enjoy. And yeah, stay tuned for the next one. Bye for now. Zaffro Nation, Zaffro family, yeah.